I opted in for the co-op program because I did not have a pathway into any companies that would be willing to hire me as a millwright apprentice. It's an amazing way to get your foot in the door. The program is amazing, but the co-op is just one step up.
The program really offered everything. All I needed to do was show up and be willing to try and learn and try my best.
I've worked with various Mohawk College students before, and the thing I like about them is how job ready they are. All we have to teach them is like the specific stuff in food safety for Ferrero.
Mohawk gives the basis for those skills. They teach the basics of what you need for pneumatics, hydraulics, fabrication, and understanding of how a machine works. And that is gold when you show up at the job.
This is a fantastic place to work, and there's always room to grow here.